What you think?
Let me just create your fantasy escape, your fantasy escape, your fantasy escape.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Kimberlyn XO. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be vlogging again for y'all. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to be notified every time that I post. I am currently doing a little bit of house cleaning while my son takes his nap. I'm gonna be trying to cook shrimp fried rice today for the first time, following this really easy recipe that I found online. So I'll show y'all how that turns out. Liquid just came in. Junior's 4-in-1 Kickin' Tunes Baby Einstein playmat. Doesn't this look like so much fun, you guys? Look it. So I just went to Walgreens and picked up Junior's multivitamin. He woke up from his nap a little while ago and he is hungry, so I am gonna put this inside of his formula. These are the Method multivitamin drops with fluoride and iron. And this is prescription from his pediatrician. The bottles that I use for him are the Dr. Brown's bottles. I actually get these from Walmart. They're supposed to help with like colic because there's a little filter that you stick inside of the bottle that helps filter out air so they don't swallow too much air and like, you know, get gassy and have stomach aches and stuff like that. Like it? You like it? Oh, I think he likes it, you guys. Good job, Junior. We're going outside with Dada. Hey, baby.
Look, he really got my mustache to me.
You think so? I'm not following this recipe to the T, but I am following it to the most part. Black pepper. Garlic powder. salt, sugar, some soy sauce. I'm just gonna do that much. Sesame oil. Maybe a little bit more, yeah. Time to mix this raw chicken. The egg like went way to the bottom. Yeah, it's a good thing I only used one egg. This recipe looks good, but I do like a little bit of spice. So I'm going to add some red cayenne pepper. Okay, so now it says add cornstarch and flour. I need like a little bit of cornstarch, so I'm gonna do like this much. Flour. Because this is what they're breading the chicken in. Okay, so I got my chicken wings. They actually came out really nice. And my shrimp fried rice. I'm gonna fry up these chicken egg rolls. I've never tried this brand before. I got this from Walmart too. And I'm actually frying them. I'm not microwaving them or anything. All right, tell me what you think.
You made these egg rolls yourself? Handmade?
No. I fried them though.
It tastes handmade.
What?
It tastes good.
They do?
It tastes really good.
Yeah, these egg rolls are fire.
It tastes amazing.
Good morning, you guys. It is 8:50 already. My orthodontist appointment is at 9 o'clock, so I am running late. It's about a 14-minute drive there, but I'm gonna be there on time because I know how to drive. I'm not with my baby right now. On top of that, it is cloudy today. It already rained from the looks of it, so my car is soaked. But I don't know if it's gonna rain anymore. As long as the rain holds up until I get in there, I'll be good because I do not like driving in the rain. My hair looks horrible. I didn't even have time to use any gel, so I pulled it all up inside of a bun. I didn't lay my edges or nothing today. And I couldn't even find my headscarf, so my hair looks bummy. Pull up at exactly 8:59 a.m. Let's get it. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you. I am all done. I did the same color as before, and they changed my wires. The orthodontist is so much different than it used to be a couple years back whenever I got my braces the first time. So wear your retainers, please. And if they break or you lose them, go get them fixed or replaced ASAP. I'll actually leave a link to that video of my braces, like whenever I first got them done years ago, in the description box below. Okay, this is the only errand that I had. I'm gonna go home and chill with my little baby and just relax. Good morning, you guys. We are about to go out and run some errands. We need to get a weed eater and a lawnmower for our backyard because the grass is growing crazy and we need new ones. Junior. Hey, Schnickums. Y'all, look how cute. Isn't this cute? Simplistic. We're in here for a lawnmower and a weed eater, and they know what they was doing, putting the furniture at the front. I guess that's the same thing. They smell good. You guys, look how beautiful the moon is tonight. I love a full moon. I just got into this festive mood and decided to plug up my wreath. I would have put up the Christmas tree, but I didn't want to be crazy watching Tim Delegato's vlogs. And my favorite thing is here, which is dinner. Red Anchor. I got my fave oysters. My husband got headless shrimp, some cheese sticks, and clam chowder. Man is full of formula. You can tell by the smile on his face.